Telegram download speed increase. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can increase your download speed on Telegram, so make sure to watch the videos till the end. Now, to basically increase your download speed on Telegram, first of all you need to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine, because most of the times download speed also depends upon the internet. Once you have done that, if you are having a relatively slow, let's say slow type of downloads, the only way you can solve this is if you get Telegram Premium. So basically one of the features that Telegram Premium offers you is, if I go to Telegram Premium, one of the features they offer is a faster download speed. No more limits on the speed with which media and documents are downloaded, so you can download it as fast as possible, as much as the internet provides you or as much as the internet supports. So as much as the plan, you will be able to download them. There's basically no limit. This way you should be able to go ahead and then download this, increase the download speed on Telegram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.